How to fix keyboard automatically pressing keys on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to stop stuck or repeating keys with a few different fixes. First, check if a key is physically stuck by gently pressing each key on your keyboard. If using a wireless keyboard, remove and reinsert the batteries. After that, unplug your keyboard and plug it into a different USB port. From there, open Settings. At this point, click Accessibility, then Keyboard. Turn off filter keys and sticky keys if either is enabled. In the next step, right-click the Start button. Click Device Manager. Following this, expand Keyboards, then right-click your keyboard. Click Uninstall Device, then click Uninstall again to confirm. Once done, restart your PC to let Windows reinstall the keyboard driver automatically. From here, if the issue continues, open Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices, then click Mouse. At this stage, lower the repeat delay and repeat rate sliders slightly. Keep in mind, dust or debris under the keys can also cause repeated presses, so gently cleaning around the keys with compressed air is worth trying too. Finally, if none of these fix it, connect a different keyboard temporarily to check if the issue is with the keyboard itself or the PC. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix keys pressing automatically on your keyboard, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.